In this video, we are going to be looking at what are the different ways that we can start or open Excel. Depending upon the operating system that you're using, there are different ways of doing this. So let me show you some of the ways. One is if you have Excel already pinned. So if you have, you can see this Excel icon here. If that is already pinned in your start bar or taskbar, you can click on that, or in the start menu, you can click on that and it is going to start. So this is option one. You click on this and it starts Excel. The second way is if you have a search bar in your start menu here, you can click on this and you can start typing Excel. So this is the second way of opening Excel. Alternatively, if you have the start button here, you click on this and it opens something like this, or you can also press the Windows key on your keyboard. So you will have a key that looks like this on your keyboard. If you press that, it also opens this. And then you can start typing directly here Excel. It also starts. So you can click either here or here and it opens Excel. We're just waiting for it to start. So this is the interface that you would see when Excel begins. So my request is please try this and then I will meet you in the next video.